In this video, I provide an introduction to Thousand Trails, cabin reservations, and rebates. We share the best camping locations in the USA.
Hi guys, we hope you enjoy the video.
Check out our RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description. Hi folks, I'm Lou with Living Our Dream Now. And Melody and I absolutely love our Thousand Trails cabin benefits. Now, Thousand Trails can be a little convoluted and confusing because there's a lot of different cabin benefits. There's cabin discounts, there are cabin rental rebates, there are getaway cabins, there's a Thousand Trails cabin pass. But in this video, we're going to focus on Thousand Trails reservations and the cabin rental rebate. And I'll be showing you step by step a little bit later in a video of how to get the most out of your Thousand Trails membership by using that cabin rental rebate. Melody and I have used that benefit. We absolutely love it. Pretty much wind up with a week-long cabin rental for basically free. You may have a little extra cost involved, and I'll go into that a little bit later in the video. But let's not put the cart before the horse. Some of you may not even know what these cabins will look like. So I'm briefly going to take you on the ground. Again, Melody and I have stayed in these cabins, and we absolutely love them. First place we're going to go, I'm going to take you to two separate locations. This is a standard cabin where I'm going to take you right now. What you're looking at on your screen is my personal camping map. And right here by Lancaster, Pennsylvania, is Circle M RV and Camping Resort. And we stayed in a standard cabin there. You can use your cabin rental rebate certificate in this kind of cabin. So let's go on the ground and check the cabin out. Okay folks, we just arrived at Circle M Campground, and this is not only our first cabin stay with Thousand Trails, but this is our first cabin stay ever. So we're really stoked about this. They just gave us the key. And so let's go check out the cabin. We're using our complimentary week-long cabin stay that Thousand Trails gave us. We get 5 of them. One for each of the first 5 years that we're a member under our current membership. And wow. Actually looks better than the videos that were on the Circle M website. Here's the kitchen area. Melody turned the TV on. Milo likes it too. We wanted to show you around before we moved any of our stuff in. So let me take you around. It has a 2-burner cooker top. It has a microwave. We did bring our own, we brought our own convention oven and coffee maker. But this is the bedroom back here. This is a pet-friendly cabin. Pretty cool. We got pillows up there. We brought our own linens.
Do you like it?
The air conditioning's on. It's nice and cool in here. So, well, let's go in. And they had bunk beds in here. I think that's where we're gonna store most of our stuff. It's just Melody and Milo and I for this trip. Here's the air conditioning unit. And this is the bunkhouse. Got a bunk there on the bottom and another bunk on the top. Got a ladder there for if you had kids could climb up there, but we're just going to use that for storage. And okay, so now let me take you back in the bathroom. a nice sink area. And it's a combination bathtub shower. It's nice and bright, nice new wood. Really impressed. Okay, well that gives you a feel for what the cabins are like. The following year, we used our cabin rental rebate certificate in Williamsburg, Virginia. On my personal camping map, let's see, that's going to be right here, Williamsburg RV and Camping Resort. I'm briefly going to take you on the ground and show you that cabin, and then I'm going to give you a step-by-step process of how you reserve and use your cabin rental rebate certificate. Melody and I are Thousand Trails members. We're adventure members. We absolutely love our membership. We've been all over the country, and in this park we're staying in a cabin. We're using our cabin rental rebate for our second year of membership. We receive 5 years of cabin rental rebates, 1 week per year. This is the second year we've used that rental rebate certificate. We're staying in a cabin here at Williamsburg Thousand Trails. It sleeps up to 6. It has 2 bathrooms. We're delighted with our cabin. As promised, we're going to show you the inside of our cabin. We're in cabin C30 here at Williamsburg Thousand Trails. I have my assistant Melody with me here today, and she's going to give you a tour of our cabin.
Hi, welcome to our home for the next week. Let's go in and check this place out. Hi, Milo. Can you tell everybody hi, Milo? This is it. Very comfortable. The couch makes into a bed, which we don't need because it's just the 2.5 of us. There are 2 bedrooms. We're using this one because there's no cupboards, nowhere to put anything, so this is our cupboard. And then we have 2 full baths. Will, you want to show them this bathroom? I've made it sort of like a makeshift cupboard.
That's a shower there, and you got your commode and your sink. There's also a TV, and both of the bedrooms have air conditioning.
And a ceiling fan.
And a ceiling fan. So, and it's a full-size bed. But there's only 2 of us, so we're using that for storage. There is a dresser out here.
Nice big TV that this swivels. So if you're sitting at the dinner table, you can turn it to we have it towards the couch. Seating for 4. Full-size stove and oven. We have a microwave. Of course a sink. Full-size fridge. It does come with a coffee maker, but we like our K-cup coffee, so I stuck it under there for now. There is a toaster. You do have a few pots and pans. There's just 1 skillet, but that's fine for us. Plates there. And then over here you'll find cups. You got your silverware. And then they do provide some utensils. Cutting board, pot holders. We're using this top section for storage, as you can see. Over here is the second bedroom, for the first bedroom. And this is where we have been sleeping. The only downfall is it's not a walk around. So guess who gets to climb into bed at night?
Melody.
We are not going to demonstrate that. But it is interesting watching me climb into bed at night, so, and then getting up in the middle of the night, if you know what I mean. But this one also has a TV as well as a ceiling fan, and then a second bathroom right here. It has been nice having the 2 bathrooms. So yeah, we're really enjoying it. It's comfortable. Milo likes it. And he showed Milo. That's Milo's spot.
Milo has his own spot.
Say hi, Milo. You need to bring your own linens to include towels, wash rags. Also, you'll need to bring your own dishcloths.
What you're looking at on your screen is the top portion of the rental rebate membership certificate. And there'll be 5 certificates attached, one for each of the first 5 years after you upgrade your Thousand Trails membership. If you upgrade your membership to anything above the Elite Basic membership, you're going to get 5 years of rental rebate certificates to use, one for each year. I recommend you call Thousand Trails to use your rental rebate membership certificate. Stay in the rental unit for 7 consecutive nights, pay the member rental rate at a 50% discount, and then you're going to get a receipt from the Thousand Trails campground that you stayed at where you made your cabin reservation. You're going to fill out this rebate certificate and then mail it in to Thousand Trails. I've did this multiple times and they give me full reimbursement, folks. The reimbursement may not pay for is if you have a separate pet fee or like linens, extra add-ons that you have on, but your cabin rental, I've been reimbursed for it every time I've used it. Something I want to point out for you is in the bottom here, it says, for the purpose of this certificate, the term rental unit means rental accommodations at the preserves. This is not good at Encore Resorts, folks, and it tells you that at the end of this paragraph. Preserves is the language that's used in your Thousand Trails contract, and all that means is that we're talking about Thousand Trails campgrounds. What did you say? You're not interested in all the bells and whistles Thousand Trails has to offer? Well, that's okay. We were there. When we had our Elite Basic membership, we didn't use any of the cabin benefits. It wasn't until we upgraded to our Adventure membership that we started to get the most out of our Thousand Trails membership. But if you're just interested in RV camping, here are 6 outstanding Thousand Trails destinations that you'll want to visit again. Just click on this video right here.